The complete Canva tutorial every beginner should watch. Hi guys, in this video you will master Canva fast. You will learn the basic and some tips and tricks that will take your design to the next level. If you are ready for that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Let's get started. Just head to canva.com and this is the home page. It's look like this. Here your design, templates, Canva AI, and then here you have the search bar. Just you can type what you are looking for. And here Canva give me some suggestions because I have typed it many times. For example, presentation, social media, video. And if you scroll down, you can see here recent. That's the templates I have created. But if you use Canva for first time, you will not find this, and that is okay. Okay, now for example, you want to create presentation. If you can click this icon, but if you don't have it here, just you can type in the search bar. But before that, you need to select templates. Yeah, now just type presentation, and you can see here Canva give you some suggestions. For example, PowerPoint presentation, PPT presentation, business presentation, history presentation. Okay, I will select business presentation, and then here just you can scroll down and you select the templates you like. But just keep in mind, Canva, they have free account and pro account. Pro account is mean paid account. You need to subscribe for pro account. If you see this icon, the crown icon, you can see here, this premium templates is included with your Canva Pro plan. But if you don't see this icon, for example, this one, this is free. You can have just free account. And if you want to filter the business presentation hairstyle, just you can click on it, and you can see here those are all styles. And here you can select corporate, professional, modern, minimalist, simple. Yeah, just you can scroll down and you can see what you are looking for. Okay, for example, professional. And then just scroll down and select the one you like. Okay, for example, if I like this one, just click on it and then click customize this template. Okay, and I will use all the templates. Then here just I click apply all 11 pages. Okay, now you can change and customize anything in the text, the color, the font, the size. Okay, for example here, project, just highlighted, and then here text color. And here you can select the color you want, for example, red. And here, no, it's already bold. And if you want to move it, just you can go up. And here the size. And here the font. The font is Telegraph. But if you want to change it, just click on it. And see the one you like. Okay, for example, this one. Legs Spartan. Okay, it's already changed. And here presentation, if you want to move it here. And here in the left sidebar, you can see you have design, elements, text, brand, uploads, tools, project, apps, etc. Okay, now for example, the first one is design. If you want to change the layout or add one page to your presentation, just you can go to design, and if you scroll down, you can see here different presentation. You can select the one you like it, or if you don't like anyone, just here in the describe your ideal design, just you can type in the search bar, for example, green presentation, and here just select the one you like. Okay, for example, this one, and here, for example, if you like only one page, okay, for example, this one, for thank you page, just you can, if you want to add it here, just click add page. Yeah, if you want to add it here. And other thing here, next you have elements, and in the elements you have shape, graphic, photos, videos, 3D, forms, stickers. And if you want to add, for example, circle, just you can type here circle, and they give you suggestion here. You can see circle frame, circle outline, white circle. Okay, just I type circle, and here for example shapes. Okay, I click see all. Okay, for example, this one, I want to add this one. Just click on it, and then here, you can move it, and here you can increase the size. And if you wanted to change the color, just click here color, and then here select the color you want, for example, green. And if you are looking for something specific elements, for example, red X, you can type here in the element red X. Okay, and here graphics. Okay, click see all. Okay, for example, this one, just click on it, and this I want to add it to the circle, just move it here. If you want to change the color, it's the same. You see here color, and then for example yellow here. If you want to add guide, just click on file, after that settings, and then click show rulers and guides. And you can see here the measurement of the guide. And if you want to create a guide, just drag from, okay, just for example, start from here, and here from the top, for example, drag from here, and you can create as many as you want, and you can clear the guides by simply dragging it, or just go to file and then settings. After that, click clear guides. And other thing you have here, text. If you click on the text, here you can add a text box or add your brand font. And here you have pre-made text. If you want to add pre-made text, okay, for example this one, if you want to add it, yeah, if you don't want it, just drag it out. And if you want to upload a picture or video, okay, you can click here, uploads, and here you have images. If you already used an image or use it before in different project, it will be saved in Canva and you can use it again. But if you don't have an image, the image it's on your laptop, just you can click upload files. Okay, for example this one, double click. Just wait for a few seconds. Okay, let me just remove the circle. I don't need it. Okay, now for example you want to add this image, just double click, and here you can decrease the size, you can move it here. And if you want to put the image inside the frame, just you can go to elements and then here type frame, or okay, for example circle, and here just click see all. Okay, for example this one, and here just increase the size, and then just move the picture inside the frame. Yeah, you can see here the image it talks in the circle frame. And if you want to create a custom size design, go back to the home page and you see here custom size, just click on it. If you know the exact dimension, just enter the width and height, and here for units you have px in mm cm. Okay, for example here the recent I have used, and you get also some suggestions. Okay, for example for width I will use 1000 by 1000, and after that click create new designs. And here you can start from scratch or just you can go to design and add some templates. Okay, now for example here I add new page and then add new page. Okay, now I have 3 pages. And okay, design, let me just select one of the templates. Okay, for example this one for the first page. Okay, and for second page, okay, for example this one, and here is the for the third page. And here is the third page. If you want to, for example, move it up, you can just click here, move up. And here, this is for example the first page. If you want to duplicate this page, instead of create one from scratch, you can see this icon, duplicate page, just click on it. You can see the first page and the second page. It's the same template. Okay, now for example, if you are happy with your design and you want to share it with other or save it, just click share. And here you get different options. For example, people with access, you can add people or group here, or here only you can access. And here if you want to invite anyone from your team, and here if you want to give access, you can see here only you can access or anyone with the link. And you have here also public view link. Yeah, you can see here that you have many different options. Okay, for example here I will just click download. This means I will save it for me, download. And after you click download, you can see here you have different file type, but Canva suggests PNG. And after that here you have options for compressed file or transparent background. Okay, that is okay, I will not change anything. And here for select page, if you want for example just one page or 2 page or the whole page. Okay, for example if you want just one page, you can click here and select the one you want, but it's okay if all the 4 page. After that click download. Yeah, and here you can see the file is downloaded to my laptop. Yeah, I hope this video is help you out. If this video help you out, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.